iMovie is a registered trademark of Apple. I am in no way affiliated with Apple. In this clip, we're going to begin selecting footage in our source video here to use within our project. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is let's get rid of this title window so it gives us more room in our project window. And let's just take our cursor here and just click anywhere in our source video. You see this little yellow box appear. Now if we center this box, you can move this box by going to the top of the box. You see a little handle and you can move it back and forth. And this box basically indicates which video footage you're selecting. So let's move it here, and you can see if we move it at the beginning of a thumbnail. Now if you look at our thumbnail, our frames per thumbnail selector switch, which we already talked about, it's set at 5 seconds. So each one of these little thumbnails is 5 seconds, and this box roughly covers almost all of it. It's actually 4 seconds big, this box. And that's the default for iMovie. You can change that by going into iMovie Preferences. You can see here where it says clicking in Event Browser selects, set to 4 seconds. I'm going to change this to the maximum, which is 10 seconds, because I'm going to be grabbing bigger sections of video for this project. Now when we want to get rid of this box, we've changed our mind, we don't want to select this video, simply just click anywhere outside the box and it'll disappear. So let's go back up here again and click on it. Now you can see, if we move our box to the beginning of the thumbnail, it takes up exactly 2 thumbnails, which is 10 seconds long. So this box is selecting 10 seconds of footage. But you're not stuck with just 10 seconds of footage. You can obviously alter this box to whichever length you like. And the way you do that is there's little handles at the beginning and at the end. And you can just hold your mouse down over one of the handles, say the ending handle, and drag the box to select any length of video you want. Now we want just the vowels to appear at this particular scene, vowels and rings. So I'm going to set the end point to right after they kiss each other and there's some clapping, right before the camera gets a little shaky. And I'm going to set the beginning point to right at the beginning of the vowels here. So that's how you would select some video footage that you would later want to use in your project. And in a future clip we'll talk about fine-tuning this so we can move this box and really trim it on a frame-by-frame basis.